So the exam is over now. It's been 5 days. So many of you might have given your best and you might clear this exam. Many of you didn't give your best for the past 6 months or 1 year and you are going to fail. Because see, the most important problem of foreign medical graduates, particularly, okay, because I have seen this when I'm doing my internship, I have observed this, that at least the students or the interns, okay, whoever is doing their internship and the student itself, they have certain clarity. They have certain clarity of what they are going to do, and the people who have clarity, they are always going to win. Let me say my story. Okay, see, for example, I myself do not have any clarity. Okay, to be frank, I do not have any clarity regarding which path should I choose, what should I do after my FMGE, and before I give my exam also I'm having the same confusion. Even now I have same confusion, but after thinking for myself and analyzing certain things, I have understood that which path should I take. Okay, so I will share about that also, which is better, which is worst, and what is your way. You can choose that after this video. So I suggest you to watch this video completely, whether you gave your best or whether you are going to fail. First I will talk about the FMG. Okay, let's say you cleared the exam. Now you have 6 months to 8 months of time based on the state. You will have some time. So with the motivation, okay, that you are going to clear this exam, you can study for the NEET PG, okay, or the INSET. If you got good score, that 170, 175, 180, then you can appear for INSET also, or else you will most probably study for the NEET PG, okay, that you can do. And the next thing is, either you can do job, okay, if your family requires a financial support, which is the need for many people and many students and many doctors, that is the need, that they provide the family support. So I will be talking about the job opportunities also in this video. If you have cleared, so first let me tell you what you can do. If you have cleared this exam, I want you to think for yourself, okay, do not listen to me blindly. I'm just going to tell you the options. I want you to think for yourself and take the decision for yourself. First is, you cleared the exam, so now you can go for the other exams, that is NEET PG, and select the path, okay, and become a doctor specialist. Then you do super specialty, then you become super specialist, then you start your own practice. So that is the traditional way that a doctor's going to take. So that is your path. So either you can decide that way, or you can choose to work for now in any private hospital in your state, and you can earn some 25,000, 30,000 in some multi-specialty hospitals. They are going to offer even 70,000, 1 lakh just for the doctor, okay, just for MBBS level doctor, they are going to give that much. So if you decide to study for the NEET PG, okay, then all the best, okay, give your best and study every day, study for 2-3 hours, but do not, out of motivation, don't study for whole day, okay, means 10 hours, 12 hours, because once you join the internship, you are going to feel yourself that you are not having any time for yourself. So you will be in so you'll be burnt out easily, and also you'll be in a confusing state, okay, whether what to choose, whether what I'm doing is right or wrong. These things starts coming into you. So now if you give your best, then give some time for yourself, okay, take some time and study for some time, and then spend time with family and go out if you want to, and then think of what you can do. So if you're a person who didn't give the exam well, which is 80% of the students, okay, who gave a FMGE, the passing percentage is going to be 20%, right? Even this time it will be 50 to 20%. I'm thinking 20%. So let's say if you didn't give the exam well, now what you can do, okay? So you have 6 months of time. So if you have 6 months of time for your preparation again, the ideal way, that my whole content, my whole channel, what I always share about, okay, do not go for the main video. Simple. If you start with main videos thinking that this time paper was tough and I will start with main videos, if you decide to start with main videos, then give at least 1 year of time, only if you are willing to give your 100%. I think you understand, right? If you start with main videos, then don't give the January 2026 attempt, give July 2026 attempt, because it is going to take that much time. 720 hours of video, questions, MCQs, you will have to solve previous year questions. If you are going that way only, that I will give my best and get the best to score in the coming FMG. And if you choose to watch main videos, then I want you to give at least 1 year of time, or else it is not going to be possible. Means it is, I'm not saying that it is impossible, it is possible. Like if you are giving 12-14 hours of time every day for your preparation, only then it is possible. If you're a person who wants reality, the reality is this, that you have 6 months of time and you need to choose content that is going to work for you, okay, not that you can't remember. So if you do rapid revision, let's say you do rapid revision, okay, it will be around 250 hours maximum, okay, 250 hours of rapid revision, all 19 subjects. let's say you study for only 3 to 4 hours of day per day. Okay, I think 4 hours is good time. Okay, so let's say you watch rapid revision video for 4 hours every day, then 4 into 10 40, 40 into 3 120. So around in 2 months of time you can finish your videos, rapid revision videos. Then you will have 4 months of time for you. In that time you can revise 2 to 3 times the whole videos that you watched, because everyone should understand that without revising you can't remember and you can't recall and you can't solve the questions. So revising what you have done is important, not how much you watched. If you're a person who decides to watch at least rapid revision, okay, if you have 6 months only, if you want to give on January, then I always say that you can use rapid revision even with 4 hours of preparation, 4 hours of video watching. Then every day whatever the video you watched, you have to revise the notes, right? So you have to revise that and then solve some 20 questions, 50 questions, 30 questions, whichever is possible for you. That's enough. You don't have to think too much, like I will every day finish 8 hours of video, then I will revise for 3 to 4 hours, then I will solve MCQ also. Not possible. You are not trying to do that. If you are someone who was trained, who made your brain train for sitting for longer hours and then study, then you can do that. But if you are a person who didn't clear the FMGE and you don't have any practice of sitting for long time, then don't do that. Plan a realistic thing. I will share the schedule, I will share how to study, what to study, these videos in the coming videos. But for now I'm just giving you an idea that start with rapid revision. 2 months of time is enough. Then you revise, then you solve PYQs, solve some 4 to 5 grand tests, that is enough. And anyway, for the FMGE, right now I'm working on app. We are going to launch it on August 6th at 6 p.m. So for now we are launching with minimum important content, like we are going to launch it with 1 mock test and on 19 subject wise test, and we are going to give previous year questions. Okay, the team and me, team is working on, we have a team now, and the team is working on the creation and I'm reviewing it. So everyone is doing our best and creating the app. So whoever wish to take any subscription, okay, so don't waste your money on any app that is not going to potentially give you the best. Okay, if you're spending something like 30-40,000 and if you can't get the best out of it, then no use. So if you take the app which we are going to launch on August 6th, I can guarantee that it is going to help you much more better than any other app or anything. So I will make another video about the app in the coming days. For now, let me continue. Okay. So that is the ideal way. Okay, you understand, right? Rapid revision, that is the ideal way to finish your preparation on time and feel confident. So you can do rapid revision of any coaching, that is fine. Marrow, Prep Ladder, Cerebellum, Doc Tutorials, or any other giving dams, any other coaching are doing this, then you can take that rapid revision. For me, I observed personally that Prep Ladder is good. Okay, it is a rapid revision, but it has good content. So that is a good way to start your preparation now. But anyway, if you are confused like that whether you are going to clear the exam or not, then wait till the results come and then start the preparation. Even who didn't give the exam, if you want, then you can take some time, start after the results come. Then it is going to give a little bit of instant push, instant motivation in your mind. But you should have yourself, okay, that I have to clear this exam and pursue my other interest in my life. So that is about the that is about the FMG that I want to share, that if you are a person who cleared, then you can do the job, or else you can prepare for the NEET PG. If you are a person who is going to fail and you decide to take FMG only, then you better at least start the preparation sooner or later. Okay, you have to start, and if you are starting, use the rapid revision only. Don't go for the main videos. Solve previous year questions, revise, and other options. Okay, this is most important, which I'll be making another videos. This requires a different videos altogether to explain about why it is important, which is more beneficial, which path to take. But in this video, to be frank, if you're studying for FMGE, then study, then plan for then have a plan of long term in your life. Like let's say you are giving FMGE this January, okay, in 6 months. Now the next exam that you can give can be NEET PG, INSET, or else UPSC CMS. Okay, in fact I am so much interested, I am so much attracted, I felt personally that UPSC CMS is much more better for me, okay, than NEET PG and INSET. That I will tell you why I am choosing UPSC CMS, why I am thinking of joining that, why I am not feeling like taking NEET PG. I will share about that in a different video. If you are FMG who is thinking of giving FMG, don't just stop there. Think of UPSC CMS also. That's a better option once you clear FMG. You will be feeling much more better. And coming to the job, see, it is not legal, okay, in India. Without getting the registration, the permanent registration to practice, it is not legal to work. But I am telling, okay, see, what I have observed in my internship is that actually no one follows any rule unless it is going to benefit them. Okay, I got 2 years internship for myself. I finished my first year. Now I have to start my second year internship, and they have to give me stipend. Okay, but they are not giving. Okay, NMC told to the state governments, state councils, that if you wish to give, then you can give. If you can't, then don't give. Supreme Court itself told that you have to give stipend to every college, everyone who is working who is doing the same work. They should get the stipend, but no one cares, right? So it is not legal. Okay, I don't want to promote also. I don't want this video to be reached to everyone, but as a fellow FMG, okay, I just want to share that if you want to work, there are many options. Everyone is working. Many people are working. I am honestly telling you, the interns that they are doing in government hospital just to support their family. Okay, just to have some 25,000, 30,000 per monthly, so that they can contribute to their family. They are doing the job in private hospital for 25,000, 30,000, 40,000, whatever the job they can. So if you can, and if you want, if you need that financial support, because most of you must be in 25, 26, 27, this age range, okay? So you need to support your family. If your family is not financially stable or else in a good condition, so you have to work. So if you have to work, there are different options. Like in Hyderabad, you can get easily for starting with 25,000 to 70,000, 1 lakh. My friend did that for 1 lakh without clearing even FMG as a duty doctor. But the work will be hectic, obviously. But if you are getting 70,000, 1 lakh without clearing FMG, the work will be hectic. But he did that just to support the family. So if you are someone who wish to do the job for getting money, then you can do that. Don't tell anyone that I am working here, I am working, I am doing this, I am doing that. Don't tell anyone. Just continue doing your job for your family. That's it. Or for your personal needs, if you have to fill petrol for your bike or scooty, or else if you want to buy some clothes also. For everything, you can't keep on asking your family. Certain things which are important, you can ask, but they give the best thing, that is, they gave you the graduation, means you are doctor now. Now it is your time to give your best. You have to spend time on studying, learning, preparing. Now it is your time to work, do hard work, and achieve things for yourself. No one is going to coming to save you. So do the job if it is needed for your family. That's it for this video. I think you understand. Okay, this video, I hope this is even little bit insightful, because I'm just talking in a open hearted way. Okay, I'm not thinking of this only exactly. I will speak without any script. Okay, I'm not making any script and just randomly sharing what is in my mind, what I thought of, what is my thinking. So you can actually try for job, prepare for the FMG, and for sure give UPSC CMS. I'm going to give that exam. I didn't clear yet. I didn't attempt even one time. I didn't attempt it, but I'm going to surely give the next year, and I'm going to surely clear. I will study that way. I want you also to study, even if competition increase. Means if I share before myself clearing, but if the competition increase, it is good for me, because UPSC CMS is a competitive exam. Last year 70,000 gave. I am sure this time 75,000 to 80,000 would have given, maybe. So it is going to push your mind also, your limits also. So I want you to give that competitive exam. Let's see who gets what, but give your best. That's it. In the coming videos, I will talk about app. I talk about other exams, or else if you are finding for the job only, what is the procedure, what you can do, that I will share. So for now, that's it for this video. You can join our Telegram group, where we are just going to post so many questions which will be useful for you. And you can join my Telegram channel also, where I will be sharing many insights, many preparation techniques, strategies, or regarding revision. I'm going to share many things. And subscribe to the YouTube channel. I'll be making videos. Actually, I have a different plan. Before ending this video, actually I have a different plan of making classes, because I know one of the good skill is that I can teach better. I can teach very much better. I have a good teaching skill. But right now I'm not getting time in this internship. I have to do my second year internship. I'm not getting proper time, and we are working on app, as I told. So it is becoming very hard for me. So when I start, I don't know, but when I start when I start teaching on YouTube, I am sure that many people are going to get benefit if they are going to watch my videos. That's it. Bye.